kachat niya. Gising pa siya, tulog na.
Naglilik pa.
Yan yung chat na, pang matagalan. Kung sino mayaw, siya talo.
Sa Buddha position. This is the big Buddha. Not in Lantaw. In Easter Street. Hindi ba mula yun? Tulog mo yun.
Hindi, wag. Maybe Pangyaw, she chatting other person, maybe other planet, What do you think, Pangyaw? What do you think?
No, he's drunk.
This is
Yeah.
That's why she's like that. Always doing like that, Pangyaw?
I will show you. He's drunk.
Okay.
I will tell you a secret.
Okay, I watch it.
This is a secret.
That is a secret, but you have to
Yeah.
show me.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not secret anymore.
I will show you. Okay. This is a Tung Chon soy sauce.
Wow!
This is very delicious.
Wow!
If you mix this in the vegetable, it's delicious.
Really?
Okay.
Okay.
I will give you an example.
Okay.
This person is a vegetarian.
Vegetarian?
Yeah. So the,
Look, he looks like a carnivorous.
No, he's a vegetarian. That's why I will push this to her mouth and then she looks like a vegetarian.
Ah! How interesting.
Okay. Give me some water.
Okay. Take your time.
You like it very much.
Oh, that's why.
You like sauce.
Ah, that's all?
It's good. I think he will blow up.
Ah.
It's a banana. He's a monkey. He likes a banana. Okay, I will give you a banana.
Okay. Can you show me?
Okay, I will give you a banana. This is a banana. This is a very good banana. Very good banana.
Ah,
Fresh fruit banana.
Fresh fruit banana.
Okay.
fresh fruit banana. But that banana I already seen already 2 weeks ago. It's still fresh,
Yes.
but we don't have any refrigerator here. So why can you pretend it's so very fresh?
Look the color.
Oh, it look like fresh. Fresh inang ina mo.
It's a color brown.
Looks the texture.
It seems like nobody but you.
Look the monkey.
Huh?
Look the monkey.
Oh,
The banana eat this.
really?
Yeah.
Can you show me how?
It's delicious.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I see how it takes? It look like delicious.
Okay. Ramon, eat this one.
I don't like
Bite this one.
Apu.
No, yo.
He said she's full. He's full.
He's a talking monkey.
Ah, monkey
Okay,
is full.
Yeah.
Full lang inan to.
Tangina mo.
You are not full. You're full.
Why monkey is full?
Okay. You don't like this one?
I don't like.
Maybe is monkey is full pulo kalokohan.
I will give them a fresh apple.
Apple? Why did you have an apple?
I get it from the refrigerator.
Refrigerator? But Ocean Park cannot produce any apple. How refrigerator produce apple?
Because This apple is came from the tree of the rep.
The tree of the rep?
Yeah.
So the
This is
refrigerator have a root.
Yeah.
And then,
So the root have a rep.
Yeah.
So that's why your idea is so automatically is amazing.
This is the root of the rep. This
What?
one.
It look like a root.
Yeah.
So this is the root.
This is the root crops.
It's like root
Look
of
at the
the
body.
yeah. Where is the body?
The body.
I see the body, but I don't see any face.
They have the soil in their body.
I see the soil in her face.
Okay. Eat this one. We wash the man. The
I eat apple.
you see?
See,
They get an apple.
Oh,
I get an apple. It's
monkey,
delicious.
monkey,
It's
Annabelle.
new. Monkey eat apple.
Mmm,
It's
crunchy.
delicious.
That's why. That's why you go away.
He is evolving.
Ah.
He use a laptop.
It's
And then
orangutan.
this monkey is
It's the
very
big,
intelligent,
Wow.
but he has no brain.
it's the big
Oh.
He has no
Big
brain
boss.
and no face.
Yeah.
That's why he is a robot.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ronabat
Because
Mr.
it's the big
Rebecca.
boss. Monkey is the orangutan.
You're orangutan. You
Yeah,
said
no,
you're
It's the big boss. It's the big orangutan. Yeah. This is father.
panther.
Father.
Father.
Father. It's the monkey, big monkey.
How about this one?
I'm the brother of the monkey. It's the big monkey.
So already
He's
the,
a turtle.
It's my
You know the turtle?
I know the turtle.
Yeah. This one is a turtle. It's a
Ah.
Donatello.
Donatello. Do not tell whatever what I said to you. That is Donatello.
Yeah, do not tell anyone.
Yeah. Mr. Nung Nung, can I make a request? Pwede ba yung love song ko? Mr. Nung Nung, lana akong pera. Pwede ba kitang mahut-hot? Yung DH nyo, kawawa naman. Pwede bang layuan nyo na? At sana'y nakikinig siya.
Alala kaya niya. Shame.
Tung dalawang to ay namimiss nila pagkat sila'y man daloko.
Manloloko.
At isa pa, itong big man na isang malaking
Apple, huh? The big one and the small one.
Hey, how about the magic?
Can I
Do
see?
you want me to show you
Of course.
how this knife disappear?
How?
Okay, I will show you.
Okay.
Come on, no.
Okay.
Just come here.
Just one sack.
I will show you. How does it work? Okay.
Bilang naihi
Where
eh.
are you?
Tangin na mo, sasaksakin mo ba naman? Ikaw ba naman, di ka maiihi? Eh, ba't di mo gamitin muna rito? Para mawalan tayo ng problema. Pre, ba't di mo natin gamitin ito kay Jericho?
You want this? No. I will show you.
I am Donatel.
This
Do not
this
tell.
time is not. It will disappear.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Take a photo.
Take a photo. No, I take a video.
Take a video. Okay. This one. This is a magic.
Magic.
Okay. this
Even
is
if
magic.
not, okay, I'll conquer that.
I will show you.
Okay,
Just
I'll wait.
Take a concentrate.
Concentrate.
Don't move.
Don't move. Because after that,
You see?
you see, already, he's dead already.
He is dead.
Oh my God, you kill her.
Oh, it's not like that.
her.
You kill her. You see, nobody will always care of them because you already dead.
Okay.
But I kill you
This
too.
is working.
But I kill you too.
Just another one. You want to see this?
He's alive.
You're alive.
Yes, I kill you
Okay.
I have a blood.
You kill her.
too. Yeah,
Okay.
Her family doesn't matter.
I kill her.
I will show you again.
Okay.
This one.
Okay, I
This
like to
person.
see. Okay, I like
Nobody
to
cares.
nobody. Even her mother, her father, her brother and
Come
sister.
on.
How do you brand your tish?
I will show you
How you
again.
brand your tish?
Only.
This one, ah.
Okay.
This is a good one.
Okay.
This is a true one.
I like to, I want to see. I want to see. I want to see her dead already.
The true one.
Okay.
Come here, come here, come here.
No joking.
I'm
Just
not
kill
joking.
her and okay,
Oh.
nobody can see, nobody watching. Just
He's
kill
a
her.
runaway. He's runaway. Okay?
Him. Just kill him pala.
I will show you my skills.
We have no blood here. Maybe it will help.
Nawala si Nungnung.
Nawala. Nagtago na.
Huwag niyong paalisin yun, papatayin talaga natin yun.